Welcome. In front of me is a REDMI Pad 2 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can insert SD card into this device. So, before we get started, you'll want to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, extract one at the end, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the top of the device. I'm counting top where the camera is basically. Or it could be considered as a lower right side of the device if you're holding it in, obviously in the portrait mode. So anyway, you can see we have a couple different holes right here. We're interested in the one that is part of this cutout right here. So grab the tool. As you can see, it enters in there. You should push it in, and the tray will pop out enough for you to be able to pull it out. Now on the tray, you have space for just a single SD card. There is a chance that this tablet also comes with a mobile support for a SIM card. So this spot right here, where for me is just fully filled, for you it might be empty. And if it looks just like this one, that means that you can pop in a SIM card as well and have mobile network on it, meaning on your device. But as you can clearly see, I don't have that, so I'm just gonna plop in my SD card and then insert it back into the device. There we go. Once you do so, these cards should start working right away, hence why it's popping up with the notification that it detected a SD card. And you can see it right here. So there's no additional steps needed to take, it just works straight out of the box. Sometimes I will though warn you, if the card is in a wrong format, so maybe something like FAT32, your tablet might give you a problem with it, and it will tell you that you need to format it. Obviously by formatting it, you automatically lose all the data on it, so be very wary of that. But with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.